Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to prevent your application from using your camera, for example. In our Samsung S22 Ultra, we need to go to the settings, then in security and privacy menu, we are looking for permission manager. And here we have our camera. In our example, 8 applications of installed and 18 have access to our camera. Let's change it. Let's say we don't want Chrome to use our camera. So we can don't allow at all, or we can choose to ask every time with each usage of the application. Let's don't allow. And now our Chrome is not allowed to use our camera ever until we enable this option. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.